It begins with the letter S and never want to call it a bad thing. Begin with the letter S? Are you crazy? Yeah, it is. Begins with the S. Can we please get a hint here? Of course, here's a hint. It begins with an S and ends with an I. The freaking I? Yeah, it's an I. Begins with the letter S and ends with the letter I. How long could it take? Just list me letters. I'll go first. There's a letter P in it. Yeah, there is a P in it. How long can it take? Come on, we're just playing against the we're just playing a game. What's wrong? I don't really understand. Maybe someone really enjoys that game. I can't even remember. But we're rambling here. Just guess the next letter. Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. Is it M? Nope, it's not M. 76 chances left. Oh, great. I can't remember it. Obviously, it's freaking K. Correct. How do I even know it was? And then N. Of course it is. Matt, I know what this is. But you gotta guess what's wrong. It really looks like green. Starts with S and ends with I, and never want to call a bad thing is sprunky.